Union Minister Shobha Karandlaje has written to Home Minister Amit Shah and the Valmiki Corporation scam and said that the magnitude of the scam is running into crores of rupees, exposing serious questions about governance and accountability. So, Union Minister Shobha Karandlaje, who is also from the state, has requested for a thorough and independent inquiry by the CBI into the role of the Union Bank and other involved financial institutions. Basically because, remember, this Valmiki Corporation was supposed to be working for the Valmiki, the underprivileged groups that deserved some of those schemes. But over 187 crore rupees meant for them have been allegedly siphoned off by the officers in the corporation and the ministers. How did this event come to light? The expose happened because an employee died by suicide and left behind a suicide note saying that there are senior officers who are doing this misappropriation with the netas. So now Shobha Karandlaje has also said that a comprehensive investigation by relevant authorities must be done in this case. A word here for Chandrasekharan P. He was the one who died by suicide because he had been constantly pushed to misappropriate the fundings so it can reach other senior officers. In many ways asking now, we are told that Shobha Karandlaje has also asked for justice for this late government employee.
Congress जानबूझकर
All right, so that's the big issue that has started. Remember, while reports have been sought, and D. Nagendra, who was then the Tribal Affairs Minister, had even resigned when this issue really surfaced, and a man has died and he's left behind the suicide note, and that is what is reflected and led to the expose of this case. But sadly, he had to become a whistleblower by resorting to such an extreme step for his life. DK Shivkumar, meanwhile, has slammed the ED over the raids also on this Valmiki Corporation case, saying the SIT set up by the Karnataka government was already investigating the case. We are talking about 187 crore rupees allegedly siphoned off by senior officers in the corporation and also by the ministers in this case. Remember that ED had been had conducted some raids, and that is why that at least there is some expected action, but also DK Shivkumar said, but there are already SIT that was dealing with this case. Now, just to give you a background, Chandrasekharan P was found dead on 21st of May. He was the superintendent of the corporation. He died by suicide but left behind a note in hope that it will lead to proper authorities, appropriate action to be taken. And that note alleged that there's been an illegal transfer of money from the corporation meant for poor people, from the Valmiki groups, to various bank accounts which have nothing to do with the welfare schemes. And this, remember, then knocks directly at the door of the senior leadership of the Congress party in Karnataka and deserves immediate action. So this is this was the Karnataka Maharishi Valmiki Scheduled Tribes Development Corporation.